6 kgs of swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How much kgs of sardines did Minnie sell? So price of 1 kg of swordfish, this is rupees 60. So money earned by Gracie is equal to, while earning 6 kgs of fish, that is rupees 6 into 60. So 6 6 are 36 and 0. So Gracie earned rupees 360. Now how much kgs of sardines did Minnie sell, as Minnie has earned same profit as that of Gracie? So price of 1 kgs of sardine, that is rupees 40. So we have to find out amount of sardines sold by Minnie. So amount of sardines sold by Minnie is equal to, we have 360 and 40. So dividing 360 with 40. So this is 360 and 40. So 40 into 9 is 360. So we get remainder 0. So amount of sardines sold by Minnie are 9 kgs. That is 9 kgs of sardines Minnie sells to earn 360 rupees, that is as equal to as of Gracie.